Led by 2nd Battalion Alpha Company Commander, Criminology Intern, Captain Almasco Mark Lico.
ABR Bravo Company, under the command of 1st Battalion Bravo Company Commander, Captain Criminology Intern, Marcelino Carjan.
Saan ginano mo sila, oh? Hindi, ginagawa mo sila natin, ginagawa mo sila.
Passing in front of the stage is the Charlie Company, under the command of 1st Battalion Charlie Company Commander, Captain Criminology Intern, Nicavera Eman. AVR, the Delta Company, under the command of 1st Battalion Delta Company Commander, Captain Criminology Intern, Kaalem Jeric. Echo Company, under the command of 1st Battalion Echo Company Commander, Captain Criminology Intern, Piamonte Justin. Foxtrot Company, 1st Battalion Foxtrot Company Commander, under the command of Captain Criminology Intern, Betio.
Led by 2nd Battalion Alpha Company Commander, Criminology Intern, Captain Almasco Mark Lico.
No, cute, cute, iba, no?